Mm. Nagalit si Ron. She's upset because she's not picking. Morning, guys. Literal na kapagising ko lang. At yung asawa ko, he wants to clean. Wala pang alas 8 gusto niya maglinis. It's Sunday today. Ano ba yung gana? May pupuntahan kami ngayon aside sa apartment ko ni Alex. Pupunta kami sa seems cold outside. Can we start in the living room?
What?
So I can clean up here?
Sure.
You already removed the carpet from the kitchen.
Yeah.
Kitchen is my last thing to do.
I wanted to start here first.
Oh, why?
Fix there.
Yeah, but can we start here first? Can I carry this?
Underneath the moonlight, we gather around. Ancient voices whisper in the sacred sound. The rhythm of the earth, the heartbeat of the sky. Honor what's been passed down, question why. The ancestors are speaking, their wisdom flow. Through the songs we sing, through the prayers we make. Circle we stand. Spirits we dance till the night is done. Sacred hands lifted high to the light, guiding us with power, shining through the night. Through the veil we see, we feel the truth. In the altar's glow, the candles flicker bright. We call on the spirits, and they answer tonight. A crown of wisdom, we wear it with grace. Our ancestors' love is in this sacred space. With every beat, with every chant, we honor the power, we feel the trance. Divination's clear, futures in sight. In the practice of the old ways, we find our light. Sacred hands lifted high to the light, guiding us with power, shining through the night. Through the veil we see, we feel the truth. With voodoo and info forever.
We can have party. I wanted to have inside the fridge, you know, the last thing.
This path is our salvation. Through the spirits and the earth's vibration, we find
They only had
strength in
something from
every
8 to 15.
sacred hands lifted high to the light, guiding us with power, shining through the night. Through the veil we see, we feel the truth.
Over the weekend.
Voodoo and info forever.
When you're elevated, right? This is our
Rhythm of the rain, in the heat of the sun, we are one.
No, but I'm tired now.
With voodoo and Ifa, our journey
Escaday, Papa. What is this? So guys, tapos na kami ni Kuya Ronnie. Dadusting na lang ako dun sa may salamin. Ilang oras kalahati siguro. Higit 2 oras. Mabilis ang linis yun ha. Hindi siya yung general cleaning. Kasi pag general cleaning, naabot ako ng maghapon. Opo. But then, balak kong mag general cleaning, spring cleaning soon. Kasi, lapit na mag-spring and maglalabas ako ng mga summer clothes. And yeah, isasama ko kayo. Ngayon, magbe-break lang ako ng bonggang-bongga. Si Kuya din. And si Alex kumain na. Si Kyle, ginising ko na din. Aalis kami ng 12:30 para mag-badminton. Nag-shower na ako, guys. Aalis na kami soon. Pero kakain muna ako ng lunch. Sorry, nag-get ready pa ako. Hindi ko pala nakwento sa inyo kanina. Yung pinag-usapan namin kanina ni Alex. Na yung cleaning niya is pag Tuesday. Kasi guys, merong task si Alex at saka si Kyle every weekend. Either one weekend, maglilinis sila ng bathroom. Kay Kyle yung bathroom, itong bathroom na to. Kay Alex yung maliit na bathroom sa baba. Every other weekend yun. Tapos, the other weekend is si Kyle magba-vacuum. Tapos si Alex yung magda-dusting at saka mag-map. Ngayon, napansin namin na si Alex maraming assignments. So, wala siyang time maglinis. Pag Sunday, naglilinis din sila ng room nila. So, napansin namin na wala siyang time mag-aral kasi nga may task na ginagawa. But, sabi ko sa kanya na gawa niya ng paraan para magawa both. It doesn't need to be the same day. It doesn't need to be sa weekend. Para ba mabalance out niya na kaya niya yung trabaho niya kahit nag-aaral siya. Tindihan niyo? I know na it seems too much kasi, you know, they don't have to clean their room. They don't have to do tasks at home. But, kailangan nilang matuto na gawin yung task nila kahit na meron silang importante din na ginagawa. Kasi, we've been doing Alexander's laundry since last week. Tapos, hindi rin siya naglinis last week. So, parang napansin namin na wala nga siyang time. So, sabi ko, hindi niya kailangan gawin yun ng weekend. Hanap siya ng days na pwede niyang gawin. Any days. But then, hindi siya pwede ng Monday kasi every Monday dun siya natutulog sa lola niya. Opo. So, ayun yung napag-usapan namin kanina. Makakataka kayo kung ano yun. Yung mga task-task lang. Nandito na kami, guys. Naglalaro na yung mag-ama. Napasarap yung upo ko dun sa cafe. Nintay nila pa. Naglalaro na sila. Alas 2 pa actually yung practice ni Alex. Pero, gusto maglaro ni Ronnie 1 hour before the practice para maka-warm up si Alex. Panoorin niyo sila. Lalaro din ako, guys. Good, Papa. Good catch, Papa.
You think she needs glasses? Can't see where the ball is.
Pa-practice na si Alex.
Can I knock the door?
Oh my God, she's not picking up the ball. Honey, take it easy. Nagalit si Ron. She's upset because she's not picking up the ball. She's supposed to pick up the ball. Ano guys, nakaupo lang. Nakaupo lang yung anak ko. She's supposed to pick up all the balls. Yan, mga balls. Nakaupo lang. Nagagalit yung ama. Anyway, tapos na kami. Nantay na lang namin sa Alex kasi nagtitraining siya. Ayan. Tapos na siya in 20 minutes actually. Take it easy, Papa. Looks like you're killing her. Take your look. What's happening now? Gamit ko na yung aking DJI and I hope...
Ha? Gugulo! Diyos mio! Ha?
Wait lang, ang bigat. Ano yung command sa English? Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina. Na-stress na ako. How's life?